So this question wants us to find a solution to the equation 2x squared plus 4x equals 3 plus 3x squared. So this is a quadratic equation. We want to rearrange the term so that it is going to look more familiar. And what we can do is we're going to move these two terms to the left-hand side. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to left with a 0. So when these two change side, you're going to change the sign, right? 3 becomes a -3 plus 3x squared becomes a -3x squared. And then you want to do the calculation. 2x squared minus 3x squared. So you have a negative x squared. All right, I'm going to write this so that it's closer. This is negative, all right, negative x squared. And then plus 4x, and you have a minus 3 right here. And we're trying to get rid of the minus sign here. The way to do it is by multiply every term by -1. So minus x squared times -1 becomes a positive x squared. Plus 4x times -1 becomes negative 4x. Minus 3 times -1, it becomes plus 3. And of course, 0 times -1, you still get a 0. So this looks like a quadratic equation that we can solve by factorization. So we're going to do that on the next slide. So I have already written down the factorization. So we can break that this quadratic equation into x minus 3 times x minus 1. So we can do a mental verification that this is in fact true. So minus 3 times -1, you have positive 3, you get this term. And then x times x, you have x squared. You know, you scroll back to previous slide, you got the x squared term. And then the middle term was minus 4x, right? Where does that come from? So you multiply these two together, you have minus 3x. You multiply these two together, you have minus x. So minus 3x minus x, you have minus 4x. Minus 4x is here. So we have mentally verified that this factorization is indeed will give us the original quadratic equation. And from here, in order for this or this to be the product of these two binomial to be 0, it must be either s minus 3 is 0 or x minus 1 is 0. So then we proceed from there. So x minus 3 equals 0. That means x equals to 3, right? So this is one solution to the quadratic equation. And the second solution is x minus 1 equals 0. That means x equals 1, right? So either 1 or 3, either one of these, both of them are correct, right? But out of 4 choices, you only have this. You only this is the answer. You don't have they're not they haven't given us another solution. The other solution x equals 1. So we're going to choose this, right? C is the answer. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.